Hey guys, I got another shipment of mails I want to open. 1, 2, 3, 4 packages. Some are obvious. 5 packages, but I already opened this one. I couldn't wait. I knew what was in it, and yeah, let's start with this one. I knew what was in it, and I had to test because I have troubles with my 3D printer for heating up. So I ordered a brand new MK2 heating bed. It is a 24 volts one, so I'm probably gonna change my electronics so I can use a 24 one. The reason I opened it is because when I want to start printing, it takes like 45 minutes before my heating bed is warmed up. I don't use glass anymore. I don't like glass anymore. Or you need to lay Kapton tape on it. It's like this, but then a lot bigger. You don't do it with this one. And it's like a real hassle. It only lasts for so long. It sticks very well. Sometimes it sticks so hard that you rip off the Kapton tape and it's also expensive. You also can spray hairspray on it, and there is all sorts of tricks. But no, I read about carbon plates. So it's the same size as this, like the white stripes. It's a little bit smaller because here we have holes to lock it into your 3D printer. And yeah, as long as you keep it clean, the carbon plate, it kind of sticks okay. It's okay, but it really needs heat. The heat is not penetrating through it a lot. So I put on my bed on 145 degrees Celsius to have like 115, 118 degrees on the carbon plate, and that's okay. At least I want 115. I prefer 120. So yeah, but I know, and the reason is the other one, the resistance is really low on the other one. Actually, near the point it's unusable. It's almost a short. See, this one is reading, I don't know if you can read it. This one is reading 2.8 ohm. I think that's on the 24 volts, and it's reading nearly double, 5.6. I don't know what the 1 and the 3 pins are. 1, 3, 1, 2 is positive and negative for 12 volts, and it's reading 2.8 ohm. While if I use the minus from the 24, it's reading more. And that is on the 24 one. It's reading 5.6. Yeah, my bed is reading I don't know, just over 1.2 I think. That's almost a dead short, so it's not heating anymore, just using electricity. It's getting there, but it takes like 45 minutes, at least 45 minutes for the carbon. I guess for the glass it's still usable, but yeah, that's why I use this one. I bought this one. I don't know, this one has the copper on this side. I don't know how you need to lay it down. I think this one needs to go on top. Maybe it doesn't matter that much. But yeah, now I want to test it. This power supply is putting out around 16 volts or something, or 17.7. I'm gonna test on the 24. So the positive on the 2, the negative on the 3. I hope this works. I guess not. It's not heating. Great. Yeah, now it's getting hot. Warm. Okay, it's only, what was it, 17 volts? So that's not 24. It's getting warm. Ooh, that was bad. Whoa. The protection film is breached. I'm not going to do it like this anymore. I want to still use this one and my power supply. I don't think it's well protected. But yeah, it works. It's still a little bit warm. It's slightly bent. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I guess with the lightning you can. But it's slightly bent. So yeah. But if I lay it down like this, I lock it down and put on the carbon plate, and it heats up a couple of times. I think it's gonna straighten out. I'm not gonna bend it too much. So yeah, this one I needed for my 3D printer, which is printing right now. And from the same seller I bought a measuring device for distance. So you have your head with the ABS or the PLA plastic, and you need to lay the plastic down like right on top. A piece of paper is the distance you need. And now I have screw-in device with a micro switch to measure the distance. So it's only at one point. Now with this device, which gonna be locked down on right next to my, can't recall the name, so that my printer can go over some points and measure the distance automatically. So I don't need to be going with the screw on top of the micro switch to have the filament everywhere exactly right on the bed. So yeah, that was also in it. KingSpec, that's the brand of the item inside. And yeah, the words are saying it. SSD, only 32 gig, but that's already 12 more than the hard disk inside of the tablet, because I bought it for the tablet. I hope I can give it a little boost, because the bottleneck of the Argos is really the hard drive. Probably the CPU also, but the biggest bottleneck is the hard drive. Nice package, KingSpec. And the funny part about it is it's an SSD, but it's not EDE like the old connection. It's not SATA, but I'll show you. If this can cooperate a little bit. Why doesn't it come out? What the hell? Jesus. What? It's 32 gig, that's right. It's packaged in a nice package, yeah. Ooh. And there's a brand new flat cable with it. I hope I don't need it. And this is why. I hope you can see it here. It's not SSD, it's not IDE, it's a ZIF connection. I never heard of it until I was opening the Argos, the tablet, and I saw the hard disk, but it had this cable on it, like this. I never saw it. I think I need to push it in, because I don't think you need to lift this. No, it is lifted. You need to be very careful with this, because I already broke one from a laptop, and it's a real bummer. But I can't seem to. Okay, you need to push this in. It's quite locked already. I don't think you need to do it this side up. That would be stupid. Jeez, this is dirty. like new. Yeah, the connections are both ways, but this cable isn't. And I think you need it up to here. And I can't seem to. It's not possible to push it all the way up to where I think it needs to be. Not even close. Okay. I was able to push the plastic now down, but yeah, now there's completely no movement anymore. So it should be up. Yeah, but to release the tension, I really think it needs to be with the flat cables connections, because on this side there aren't. But in the connector it seems there are both ways, they are double-sided. It's impossible to push it in. This is awkward. This thicker than this. Yeah, it seems like it. The blue is thicker than the other side. It's nothing great though, because the specs were like a normal SSDs, 450. Those are the standard ones, 450 speed read and write. This is only 95, but I guess it's still 3 times faster than at least 3 times, if not 10 times faster than the hard disk in it right now. It's a really slow one. I looked up the specs, but I don't know them anymore. Really small SSD with a ZIF connection. Funny. Never hear of ZIF connection. Next. It says it's obvious. Another crappy power supply. I call them crappy because they are. The inside is horrible. I'm not gonna open this one. I know it's horrible. I should though, to check if there are no shorts inside, but I won't. See, it's all crooked. I don't know if you can see that, but it's all crooked. The LED is crooked. Yeah, these power supplies really suck, but I'll give you the price. It's 480 12 volt, 12 volt 40 amps, so 480 watts. the way they feel, they really are cheap. Yeah. You get what you pay for with power supplies. Power supplies really, if you want a good one, you need to pay a price. They don't even screw this locked in. It's just hanging there. Even this screw is loose. I feel it. These really suck, but they work. So yeah. My last one, it worked for not 24/7, but yeah, quite a lot of hours for 3 or 4 years, on and off. Yeah, that was it. Bye.